Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company CurlsCurls, and today I'm going to be showcasing this kinky curly bang style unit. This one is in the length 16 inches, and the color on this is a chocolate brown color. Y'all, look at this color. It is so pretty, and these curls are so tight out of the package. This one is also in a small cap size. There is no lace on this unit, but you get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable strap, and you also get your adjustable elastic band. I washed this unit using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. I had no issues during the washing process. I used my wide tooth comb to kind of get those tangles out, and it did pretty good. I didn't get a lot of shedding during the washing process, but this is what the curls are looking like. They are a little bit looser after they have been washed. I am going to end up pinning this hair up so that I can focus on getting those curls defined. As you can see, my comb is going through this really nice and easy. And for today, to define those curls, I'm going to be using my olive oil mousse. As you can see, I'm using my detangling brush, and this helps to also define the curls, and it just glides right on through. And I am being very generous with using this mousse. Of course, all the products that I am using in today's video can be found down below in the description area. But I'm just making sure to run each section through so that I can coat the hair really good, just because this does have a really good density to it. Work on the bang section last, just so that I can make sure I get all those shorter pieces to fall up front. And of course, it didn't take me any time to do that. And initially, I was just going to do this as a wash and go, but I wanted a little bit more volume, so I decided to add finger coils all around the hair. We go back where we first began. No plans, all we had was the moment. Just grab random sections when it came to doing these finger coils. Of course, it did take me some time because I didn't want to do them too big, but I also didn't want to do them too small. Once I got to the under part of the hair, I did do them a little bit bigger, and I just knew that I would have to break those up in just really smaller sections when I was done. Now, after I am done doing the finger coils, I actually set this outside because it was sunny. It's been raining a lot in Houston lately, but it was sunny this day, so I decided to let it sit outside because I knew that when I finger coil the hair, it was going to take a little bit longer to dry. This is what the unit looks like now that it is dried down. Now, it does still have kind of like the wet look, but that's because of the products that I use. Once I pick apart these curls, it is not going to look like that anymore. Now, I do have on my silicone grip because I am going to do a glueless install. With CurlsCurls, their cap size fits me really, really good, so I have no issues with it slipping and sliding. But that silicone grip is just going to help with extra security. Now, once I put this on my head, I was like, yeah, this is giving Rick James tease. I am not going to leave these coils just looking like that. They definitely need to be picked apart. I hate the fact that we lost such a... Pull the twist up so that I can focus on the back part. And I did put a little bit of Sleek and Shine serum on my hands, not too much of it because I didn't want it to come off too shiny or the hair to feel too oily, because with that olive oil mousse, it already gives it a really nice sheen. But those bigger parts, as you can see, I'm pulling them apart even more and separating them. It did take me a little time to get these coils together. Some areas I did not take out at all because I like the way that they were twisted, but the bigger ones I definitely did pull apart. You can see once I get towards the top, everything is just coming together. Like I said, I'm not really pulling too many of the coils apart at the top and separating them too much because I like the way that they look really defined. I am going to have to, however, fluff up this hair because it's giving really flat at the top. And it looks unrealistic, and I definitely don't want that look at all. And then once I get to my bang area, I am going to separate them, but I'm not going to pull too much because I don't want them to turn out really frizzy. We was raised a little different, used to be ashamed One thing that I have noticed about these curly style bang units is that you really have to play around with them and fluff them to your liking. You're not just going to get one of these units and be able to plop it on and just go. You really have to kind of mess with it to frame it to your face, and if that takes cutting out some of the curls or just fluffing up as much as you like, then that's what you're gonna have to do to get it to your liking. So it did take me a while to kind of play around with it to get it to where I needed it to be, but this is the final look, and I am all for these curls, and I am absolutely loving the color. The style for this unit is super beginner friendly because you're not going to have to worry about any type of adhesive because there is no lace on this unit. This is great for everyday wear. I do have on my silicone grip underneath, and as you guys seen, I did not have to bobby pin the sides down because I don't have to worry about the slipping and sliding because this is a great fit. I don't even have my straps adjusted all the way. I just tighten up the elastic band that they have on, and then the silicone grip is just for extra security. This is what the size of the unit is looking like. Of course, you can see my sides right here because it's not sitting above my hairline. I don't have to worry about it harming my edges or anything because you don't want to pull it up too close, because with these bangs, you don't want the bangs to fall all in your face unless that is something that you like. But a personal preference for me is I like to have it a little bit behind like this, so I don't have to worry about anything. We style this as a wash and go. However, you guys seen I did do the finger coil method, and I didn't take really small pieces. I just grabbed random pieces and just twirl my finger around, and I use my olive oil mousse, of course, to define the curls. I like the way that the finger coils came out. Some sections I did leave alone because I still wanted them to, you know, look really defined, especially like in the back. I did separate most of the finger coils because, of course, I wanted some volume to the hair, but in certain areas I just kind of left it alone. Now, if you just want to leave it alone like how it was in the beginning, that's up to you, but like I said, it was definitely giving me some Rick James tease, and I was not trying to go for that look at all. The bang area came out really nice. You can definitely see the curl definition on this unit. I did have to kind of trim like just one little piece right here, and I probably could go a little bit shorter right in this area, but not much had to be trimmed, not even around the unit, because sometimes I have to kind of clip off little ends, but I didn't have to do any of that with this particular style. You're not gonna get any lace right here. And one thing that I did notice, if you do not kind of fluff up at the top, then you are gonna see those tracks. The tracks are very, very thin and they lay down very flat, but I do highly recommend that you kind of fluff up the top to get some volume so you don't have to worry about that showing. The color on this is really pretty. This chocolate brown is going to be perfect for the fall season coming up. It's not too much chocolate, and then of course certain lighting is going to give you a whole nother look. It's coming off a little bit darker right now, but in the natural sunlight you do get a little bit more brown that you can see. But I like this color. I feel like it looks good. Styling process, I did get a little bit of shedding. It wasn't anything too heavy. And then of course the tangles, I feel like it's going to happen. It's kinky curly hair, especially in the nape area. You are going to have to refresh. You guys know with this kinky curly hair, I always feel like it's a little bit more on the high maintenance side just because of how often you are going to have to go in and refresh. It is very nice and soft. I was honestly just going to leave this alone as a wash and go, but I wanted to do just a little bit something extra because I wanted the volume to be there and just a little bit more definition when it comes to the curls. You guys see me running my detangling brush and the mousse throughout when I was deciding on doing the wash and go. I feel like the curls were going to pop really good. They might not have been as tight as this. You're still going to get a good curl pattern. I was trying to give you guys two styles. I was going to do like a half up, half down, but because of the coils, I wasn't really feeling that, so I just decided to keep this all down. Of course, you can always add like a headband right in this area if you want to put this into like a low ponytail. So if you are running errands and you have something quick to do and you just don't want to have to worry about a bunch of hair, I feel like that will work also, and just kind of move the bangs to the side. So hey, you gotta wear the hair, don't let the hair wear you. This is going to be a quick and easy style, especially for those people who just really don't want to worry about lace all the time. Like, who wants to worry about lace all the time? You just have to play around with this, because I know these curly bang units aren't for everybody, but I feel like these are still nice to have in your collection if you want an easy go-to style. You don't want to have to worry about your edges. You don't want to have to worry about your forehead showing. For my ladies who don't like your forehead to show, then hey, you might like this particular one. So if you are feeling this unit, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.